Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Dad on the Serna. If you've been following my channel the last 100 episodes, you know I cook on the George Foreman grill. Let's get right to it. Quarter-pound Angus beef with grilled onions and barbecue sauce. And I've already prepared some, look at all that unnecessary grease that came out of the burger. I'll put that aside. But let's take a look at this burger here. We're going to put that on a plate of noodles. I love getting my carbohydrates in with ramen noodles. There you go. Look at that. And we'll add these onions. I hope everybody's having a great summer, staying active, staying with it. And I wish all of you a wonderful rest of the summer. Take care. God bless. Thank you for supporting my channel. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.